The mean, median, mode, and range activity. The directions say find each situation, or for each situation, find the mean, median, mode, and range. So for situation 1, we're given math test scores, 96, 86, 89, 96, 90, 87, 96, 92, 93, and 95. So first we're going to go ahead and find the mean. Now in order to find the mean, our first step is to add up all of our numbers. Okay, so find the sum of our numbers. So the easiest way to do this when we have a list of numbers is pretty much doing an upside down pyramid to add them, because when you add all these numbers in one long list, you might get confused. So it's easier to do the upside down pyramid. So first we're going to start by doing 96 plus 86. So 96 plus 86 is going to give us 182. Then we're going to do 89 plus 96. That will give us 185. 90 plus 87 will give us 177. 96 plus 92 will give us 188. And then 93 plus 95 will give us 188. So now I'm going to keep on adding. So now I'm going to do 182 plus 185, and that's going to give me 367. 177 plus 188 will give me 365. And then I'm going to bring down my 188. So now I have 367 plus 365. That'll be 732. And then I still have to add my 188. So if I add 188, I get 920. So the sum of all of my numbers is 920. Okay. Now I need to look at my list and figure out how many numbers I have in my list, because I'm going to take that sum and divide by how many numbers are on my list. So here we go. We're going to look at our list. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 numbers in my list. So that means for my mean, I'm going to take 920 and divide by 10. So I'm going to erase this so I have some more space. So for my mean, I'm going to take 920 and divide that by 10. Now 10 goes into 92 9 times. 9 times 10 is 90. Subtract and I get 2. Bring down my 0. 10 goes into 20 2 times. 2 times 10 is 20. Subtract and I get 0. So that means here my mean is going to be 92. So my mean is 92. So now we're going to move on to our median. Our first step to finding our median is to order our numbers from least to greatest. So we're going to do that first. Order our numbers from least to greatest. So I'm going to look at my list, find my smallest number. My smallest number is 86. So I'm going to write that first, cross it off. Now I look for my next smallest, which is going to be 87. Then comes 89. Then 90. Then 92. 93. 95. And then let me see if I can move this over real quick so Divide some more room. And then comes in my list 96, 96, and then one more 96, which I ran out of room for again, so I'm going to try to scoot this over just a little bit more. Oops. So after I have all my numbers in order from least to greatest, I'm going to cross off one number from each side until I get one number hopefully left in the middle. If I have two, remember we add them together and divide by 2. So again, this is for our median. So I'm going to go ahead and start crossing off. So one from the left, one from the right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And now I do have two numbers left in the middle. So that means my median is in between 92 and 93. So I'm going to go ahead and take 92, add that to 93, and divide by 2. 92 plus 93 is going to give us 185. And then we're going to take 185, divide that by 2, and you should get 92.5. So our median for this problem is 92.5. Now to find our mode, we need to look at our list and see if there's anything that repeats. So 86, 87, 89, 90, 92, 93, 95 don't repeat, but then we have 96 that repeats 3 times. So that is going to be our mode. Our last step is to find the range. Now to find the range, we always take our biggest number, which is 96, and subtract our smallest number, 86. So we're going to take 96 and subtract 86. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 8, 1. So our range is 10. So mean for this problem is 92, median 92.5, mode 96, and range is 10.